Mujuru said that Mnangagwa should be court-martialed. Former Vice President of Zimbabwe Joice Mujuru has called for President Emmerson Mnangagwa in his capacity as the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to be court-martialed for the crimes against humanity that took place in Zimbabwe in January. Mujuru was commenting on circular that instructed military personnel not to wear army regalia outside the barracks when not on duty. The problem is not about soldiers wearing uniforms outside barracks, but it's about the behavior/the command given to them outside barracks. Mujuru said. Soldiers follow orders, the one giving orders should be court-martialed, the CIC should take responsibility. Turning to Mnangagwa's interview on France 24, where the president denied that the soldiers were involved in the killings, torture and rape of citizens, Mujuru said a lion cannot deny that it ate a cow when its mouth is bloody. Shumba haingarambe kuti hinakware amambe ioine ropa paramoziva kuti munhu wes ananjaki and aropa racho. Events that happened in Zimbabwe, happened in the public. People saw the events happening, people recorded videos. You can't cover up such things brought up by citizens, she said. Daniel Shumba, the president of United Democratic Alliance, UDA, weighed in and said Mnangagwa must take responsibilities of the atrocities. President Mnangagwa must own up to the atrocities that happened under his watch. We all should be resolute at ensuring that he takes full responsibility of the pain, trauma, and deaths that engulfed our nation, Shumba said. However, businessman Mutumwe Maura differed with Mujuru and said perhaps Mnangagwa believes he is under siege. What if the CIC believes he is under siege? What if the reality is not shared? Who is going to be the voice on what matters? It is the case that a view is held that no soldier under the command of the CIC would be capable of committing the alleged offenses. President Mnangagwa is on record defending the army actions and saying perhaps the atrocities mentioned may have been part of excesses committed outside the command given by the commanders.